want to say like 40 seconds, and I just leave it and I just keep making sure my lashes stay curled, and then I'll show you guys what I do after. And then once I get all my lashes in there, I just curl and curl and curl, and then once I think they're cooked and ready, I take them out, and then my lashes just kind of go up. So my next step, I use this, the light is really bright so I'm sorry, but this is called L'Oreal Paris, the Double Extend. It's a 2-step mascara, so it comes with the white side and then it comes with the dark side. So I'm going to use this white part. How I do it, and you don't want to do this to the point where it gets clumpy. You want to make sure you're brushing it on very soft. Just a little in the front. So that's the first step that I do. So after I do this, I leave it on for a couple minutes. I'll usually go to the other eye, finish my makeup, whatever I have to do, and then I leave this on for a while because I like when it gets kind of dry. So the mascara that I'm going to use to put on top of the white part is this Maybelline Falsies Volume Express. This is how it looks. The reason why I like this one is because it has a curve. That's what I feel like helps. It lifts my lashes up. So I'm still waiting for these lashes to dry. So I'm getting really up close and personal with you guys so you guys can see every part of my face. Now I'm gonna wait for that to dry. Okay, so now I'm ready for the black part. So I do have to have a mirror like close up to me when I do this because it's just the way that I get them. Oh wow. So this is what's been going on the whole time. So now I'm gonna get really close. So that's the first layer. I like to let that dry for a little bit before I go into my second. So what I'll do is go in with my second eye and then just keep going back and forth. That's all I do. Just do nice, clean, soft brushes. So that's the second eye. So now I'm gonna wait for both of them to dry. So I'll be back in a second. Some people don't like putting mascara on the bottom of their eyelashes, but I love it. I feel like that makes the whole look come together, and I feel like it makes your eyes look so like flirty. Like your eyes are just all, there's just lashes everywhere. So while that's drying, but I'm wearing a really good lip gloss that makes my lips look so luscious. I'm actually going to tell you guys what I used. So what I used for my lips, so I don't change my lip color like ever. I think I've only used like 3 different lip colors for years. I always use NYX lip liner. This one is just called Nude Truffle. I've been using this forever. So there's 2 different colors that I will for my whole entire lip. It's called Spirit. It's by MAC. I've actually been using that for years. I've been using it for a long time and I love it. And then over all that, I use this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It's a lip plumper. What do you guys think? Do you think I gonna do my second layer now. Sort of what it's gonna start to look like. This is really not hard at all. If you're patient and if you have extra time on your hands, you can definitely do this. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this.